Hello, my name is Mrs. English. Welcome to today's lesson. Today, we will practice 200 sentences together. Listen carefully and repeat after me. You can pause the video anytime you need. Take your time and practice as many times as you want. Are you ready? Let's begin. I feel stressed today. Stress is not good. Are you feeling stressed? She looks very stressed. He feels stressed at work. We are all stressed sometimes. Stress makes me tired. Do you feel stress? I need to relax. Relaxing helps reduce stress. Work can be very stressful. My job is stressful. She has a stressful day. He works too much. Working long hours causes stress. I am stressed about money. Money problems create stress. Bills make me worried. She worries about her family. He is stressed about exams. Tests make students nervous. I study too much. Studying causes me stress. Are you stressed about school? School can be difficult. Taking deep breaths helps me. I breathe slowly and deeply. Deep breathing reduces my stress. She takes deep breaths daily. He breathes to feel calm. Exercise helps reduce stress. I go for walks. Walking makes me feel better. She runs every morning. Running helps her relax. Do you exercise regularly? Physical activity reduces stress levels. I feel better after exercise. Sports help me forget problems. He plays soccer to relax. Sleep is very important. I need good sleep. Sleeping well reduces stress. She sleeps 8 hours nightly. He goes to bed early. Are you sleeping enough? Tired people feel more stressed. Rest helps your body recover. I try to sleep better. Good sleep improves my mood. Talking to friends helps me. I share my problems with others. She talks to her best friend. He calls his family often. Friends listen to my worries. Do you talk about your stress? Sharing feelings makes stress smaller. I feel better after talking. Communication is very important for health. We need people who understand us. Eating healthy food helps reduce stress. I eat fruits and vegetables daily. She drinks water throughout the day. He avoids too much coffee. Caffeine can increase stress levels. Healthy meals give me energy. I try to eat breakfast. Food affects how I feel. Sugar makes me feel nervous. Do you eat healthy meals? Music helps me feel calm. I listen to relaxing songs. She plays music every evening. He enjoys classical music. Music changes my mood quickly. Do you listen to music? Soft music reduces my stress. I have a favorite playlist. Songs make me feel happy. Music is good for the mind. I take breaks during work. Short breaks help me focus better. She rests every 2 hours. He walks around the office. Taking breaks reduces work stress. Do you take regular breaks? Continuous work increases stress levels. I stop working to drink water. Breaks make me more productive. Rest helps me think more clearly. I try to think positively. Positive thoughts reduce my stress. She writes down good things daily. He practices gratitude every morning. Negative thinking increases stress. I focus on solutions, not problems. Worrying too much is not helpful. Do you think positive thoughts? I can change my thinking patterns. Positive attitude helps me feel better overall. Time management helps reduce my daily stress. I make a list of tasks. She plans her day every morning. He uses a calendar for appointments. Planning ahead reduces stress significantly. Do you organize your time well? I prioritize the most important tasks first. Too many tasks make me overwhelmed. She says no to extra work sometimes. Learning to say no is important. I cannot do everything at once. He focuses on one thing at a time. Multitasking increases my stress levels. I finish one task before starting another. Good organization makes life easier for everyone. Hobbies help me forget about stress completely. I enjoy reading books in my free time. She paints pictures when feeling stressed. He gardens on the weekends regularly. Creative activities reduce stress levels naturally. Do you have hobbies you enjoy? I spend time on things I love. Hobbies give me joy and happiness. She learns new skills through her hobbies. Doing fun activities improves my mental health. Nature helps me feel peaceful and calm. I walk in the park often. She sits under trees to relax. He goes hiking in the mountains. Being outside reduces stress for many people. Do you spend time in nature? Fresh air makes me feel refreshed. I watch birds and listen to nature sounds. Green spaces are good for mental health. Nature connects me to peaceful feelings inside. Saying no protects my mental health daily. I cannot help everyone all the time. She sets boundaries with other people. He protects his personal time carefully. Boundaries reduce stress in relationships significantly. Do you set clear boundaries with others? I deserve time for myself too. Other people's problems are not always mine. She says no without feeling guilty. Setting limits helps me stay healthy mentally. Meditation helps many people reduce stress levels. I sit quietly for 10 minutes daily. She practices mindfulness every single morning. He focuses on his breathing during meditation. Quiet time helps clear my mind completely. Do you practice meditation or quiet reflection? I try to stay in the present moment. Worrying about the future increases my stress. She lets go of negative thoughts gently. Meditation teaches me to relax my body fully. Laughing reduces stress in amazing ways always. I watch funny videos when feeling down. She meets friends who make her laugh. He tells jokes to lighten the mood. Laughter is good medicine for the soul. Do you laugh enough during your day? I try to find humor in situations. Smiling makes me feel better immediately. She watches comedy shows to relax completely. Happy moments reduce stress hormones in the body. Asking for help is not a weakness ever. I talk to someone when overwhelmed. She asks her manager for support. He gets professional help when needed. Therapists help many people manage stress effectively. Do you ask for help when needed? I don't have to solve everything alone. Other people can offer good advice always. She feels better after asking for help. Support systems are very important for mental health. Limiting screen time reduces stress for me. I don't check my phone constantly. She turns off notifications during evening hours. He avoids social media before sleeping. Too much screen time increases stress levels. Do you limit your phone use daily? I read books instead of scrolling endlessly. News and social media can be stressful. She takes breaks from technology regularly. Digital detox helps me relax my mind completely. Small changes help me manage stress better daily. I don't need to be perfect always. She celebrates small victories and achievements. He is kind to himself every day. Self-care is not selfish at all. Do you take care of yourself properly? I listen to what my body needs. Stress is normal but manageable with practice. She uses different strategies to stay calm. He learns new ways to cope daily. I am learning to handle stress better. Managing stress takes time and consistent practice. You can reduce stress with simple changes. We all deserve to feel peaceful. Taking care of yourself helps you feel less stressed. Great job, you finished today's lesson. You practiced 200 sentences. I am very proud of you. Please write your favorite sentence in the comments below. I want to read them. Subscribe to this channel for more English lessons every day. See you in the next video. Keep practicing. You are doing great. Goodbye.